The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, compass, power brakes, fog lights, child safety locks, clock, brake assist, daytime running lights, electronic brake force distribution. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.